guys, I'm Dipti and welcome to my channel Your Kitchen, Your Rule. In today's episode, we are going to make Tandoori Paneer Tikka, the most favorite starter, right? Watch the video till end and I will show you how to give that smoky tandoori effect to our dish that's without tandoor. But before we start, please consider to subscribe my channel and hit the bell so you will be notified by my new upcoming videos. So let's start. The ingredients and their measurements are listed in the description box below, so you can also check out from there as well. Now take hung curd in a bowl. If the curd has too much of moisture, it will start releasing water while cooking and our tikkas will leave the marinade. Ginger garlic paste, Bhoona jeera powder, Garam masala and chaat masala, black pepper powder, turmeric, Kasoori methi, crush it with your palm, roasted besan, Kashmiri Red Chilly powder or Degi mirch. If you are not using Kashmiri Red Chilly powder, then reduce the amount of chili, otherwise it will be too hot. Mix everything well and you will have the thick kind of consistency. Keep it aside. Now heat up mustard oil in a pan. Mustard oil has a significant role in enhancing the flavors, so I would suggest you to use mustard oil here. But if you don't have, you can use any oil. You have to heat up the oil up to the smoking point. As you can see, the smoke is coming out of it. Now you have to be a little quick here. Add carom seeds and immediately pour the hot oil into the marinade. The oil is too hot that the carom seeds might burn, and we want the carom seed fragrance in our marinade, so do it quickly. Now incorporate the oil into the marinade. Now I am adding salt, but you can also add it along with the other spices. Now I am taking a muslin cloth and wrap paneer or cottage cheese in it. In the stores, the paneer is being kept in water, so we need to keep it dry for our marinade to coat it well. For the veggies, I like to take bell peppers, onions and capsicum along with paneer, but you can use only capsicum and onion. Cut them in big cubes. First, all the vegetables will go in the marinade. I am taking bamboo skewers which I have soaked in water for 30 minutes. You can use steel or iron skewers also. Now thread them on skewers. Place the paneer pieces in between hard vegetable cubes and secure it. Now a tip. Take a tissue paper and clean the ends from both sides, because the marinade which is stick to the skewer will burn when we grill the tikkas, and the skewers will become greasy and dirty to hold. So cleaning the ends will result in nice clean skewers. Now traditionally the veggies and paneer are kept in the marinade at least for 30 minutes. But what I prefer is, I prepare the skewers, keep them in a covered container and pop it in the fridge in the morning, and in the dinner I just need to grill them. It's the best for working women. Or if we have guests arriving at dinner, this arrangement is a boon. In a griddle, I am taking mustard oil for grilling and will add butter on top. You can use only butter. Grill the tikkas, keep changing the sides till it's done. Now let's quickly make the chutney or dip to serve with our tikkas. In a mixie jar, take cilantro, mint, ginger, green chilies, peanut, lemon juice and salt and grind it. Then add curd and make smooth paste. The dip is ready. Now the tikkas are ready, but we need that smoky effect in our tikkas. Let's do this. Take tikkas on a board, Sprinkle kasuri methi and chaat masala on the top. Now I have heated up a charcoal till it starts smoking. Now carefully place it in a bowl. Pour few drops of ghee on it and immediately cover it with a broad vessel. The vessel should be broad and tall enough to cover all the tikkas and charcoal bowl. And the board can directly go on the dining table. But right now I am serving it on a plate along with dip. Enjoy the experience of restaurant style Tandoori Tikka at home and share your experience with me. Bye.